What's up, YouTube fam? Swaggy T here, giving you guys another unboxing. I got my Yeezy pods in finally. Goddamn, finally. It only took 3 months. So of 2023, I want to say the Yeezy pods appeared, and Ye was just walking around. Looked like he was just walking around in socks, pretty much. And so, we were just like, yeah, on some other shit. He on some other shit. He doing some different shit. He put these up on his Yeezy site for $200. If you bought these for $200, you got you got finesse type shit. I believe they sold out. It took a while before people could even get them in. So it wasn't like three months. I know some people, they waited like 5 months from what I saw off social media. Some people wait like 5 months or even longer than that. And a lot of people that bought, well, let me just finish first. Around Super Bowl time, Ye releases a ad during the Super Bowl promoting these and t-shirts, sweatpants, sleeveless shirts, and I want to say a hoodie. I think the hoodie was like later on, but he was promoting this stuff, and all of it was $20. And for the people that purchased the pods for $200, they did go back and they refunded people, but I don't know how that whole situation went, so I don't know because I didn't pay $200 for these. I forgot how much he made, but he made a ton of money off of these because everything on the site was $20. And I copped these in February, the day of the Super Bowl, $20. And I think shipping was like $5, so $25 flat. And I waited. I waited. And I waited. And I waited. And I want to say a lot of people that have been getting like the merch that they order off the site, they've been getting the wrong sizes, and the sizing has been weird. So I just hope that the size that I got is good. I went for a size 2, and I know before I purchased, me and my brother, we discussed it, and then another homeboy of mine, shouts out to Ebrion, we discussed it as well, just the sizing wise, because you can only do like a 1, 2, or 3, and I think the 1 is more along the smaller feet size if you have a smaller foot, and then 2 is like average, and then 3 was like you got, I want to say like 12 and up. I want to say, just open it. As you can see, you get like this little bag, little drawstring bag. It has the number on there too. Here they are. Hey, this is crazy. Yeah, hold on, focus up. Y'all can see him. I gotta step up close. All right, this is crazy. Like, I'm putting one of these down, but pretty much, I ain't gonna lie, I don't know what type of material this is. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look it up and post it. I don't know. Hold on, let me. So it really doesn't say. It really doesn't say what the materials are. But I don't even know like what type of material this is. I can't even like explain it. But it's a stretchy material, and it does resemble the Balenciaga. They look exactly the same. On the pod right here, hold on, focus. Right here, it has the 2, has 2 dots. Let you know it's a size 2. I thought it was pretty cool. This is pretty much just a sole for when you walk. I know why y'all here. We about to try these on and see how they fit. And I'm gonna be honest. Now, I did see people say to actually put on socks. So I'm gonna put on socks with mine and let you know how they are. So let's go ahead and do it. All right. I also recommend, ooh, excuse me. I also recommend to wear, like, I wouldn't wear any slim fitted pants or tight skinny jeans if y'all still wearing skinny jeans. I would wear baggy pants for these, cause I don't know, I just feel like it'll look weird with tight fitted pants, or tapered pants. It would just look weird. That's just my opinion. baggy jeans, sweatpants. So putting them on, it's pretty cool. Okay, they went on good. I'm gonna have to pan down for y'all can see the rest. Okay, I got one on. Okay, 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 okay. I have one on. I ain't gonna lie. It's comfortable. I ain't gonna even lie. It's like I have nothing on my foot. Oh shit. I want to make sure like it's good. Like I don't want to look funny. All right. Bro, I don't know how I feel about these, man. I really don't know. I really don't know. Hey, they comfortable as fuck though. I ain't gonna lie. I can see me just putting these on, like going out and about, like strutting, going out and about. Oh, let me show y'all the full fit. Hold on. All right, y'all. This is the full fit with the Yeezy. Ooh, excuse me. Yeezy pods. Pods are comfortable. It's like a sock like material with the pods at the bottom, just, you know, giving us that extra support and stability, you know, to, I guess, to have these on for extended, you know, amount of time. So they're comfortable. If I had to rate them, I would give them right now probably about a 7. I give them a 7 for right now because I have a whole nother video that I want to do on these, so y'all be on the lookout for those. But I'm gonna give them a 7 for right now because this is my first time trying them on and just, you know, walking around in them and stuff. You definitely got to get used to it. Like, I ain't complaining about them though. They alright. Appreciate you guys for tuning in for this video. I waited 3 months for these and they a nice little 7. I don't know if they were. They're different. So I can't really say too much because, like I said, everything else is for the next video that I'm gonna drop for you guys. So be on the lookout for that. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you tuning in. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and sub up for your boy. Leave a comment down below. If you copped anything from the Yeezy site, if you're still waiting, let me know down below. If you're not waiting, let me know how long you waited or whatever, and let me know if y'all rocking with these or not. So sound off in the comment section. But yeah, look out for more videos on the way. Swaggy T, I'm out. Appreciate you guys watching. Sub up, leave a like. Peace.